Yo guys, what's up? Today I've got 5 of the coolest Amazon gadgets for men that are straight up worth your attention. Look, men's gadgets shouldn't just look badass. They gotta actually do something, right? These picks, they solve real problems, make your day-to-day ways smoother, and keep you looking fresh while you're at it. So whether you're trying to level up your adventures or just want to make the boring everyday stuff easier, I got you. All the links to these dope gadgets are down in the description. Go peep them after this. Number 5. Fangfo Multi-Tool. Alright, kicking it off at number 5, we got the Fangfo 14-in-1 Multi-Tool. If you're on the hunt for a pocket-sized beast that can handle basically anything, this is it. It's loaded up with pliers, long nose, round nose, cutting, a razor-sharp knife, a bunch of screwdrivers, a serrated blade, hook remover, file, plus can and bottle openers. Each tool locks up tight, so you're never stressing about it folding on your fingers. Perfect whether you're out hiking, camping, or just need something handy for quick fixes around the crib. And with that lightweight, foldable design, fits right on your belt or slips into your pocket no problem. Compact, tough, and crazy practical. Absolute must-have for any kind of adventure. Number 4. KeySmart. Moving on to number 4. Let's keep it real. Regular keychains, they kinda suck. Bulky, noisy, always jabbing you in the leg, right? That's where the KeySmart comes in. It's like a Swiss Army knife, but for your keys. Made from tough stainless steel, it stacks up to 8 keys super neat, so they're all compact and easy to flip out. Wanna add or drop a key? Just unscrew, slide it in, tighten it back up, done. Plus, there's a little loop for your car key or even a tiny USB drive. No more loud jingles or keys poking through your pocket. Simple fix. Total game changer for something we all deal with every damn day. Number 3. Nebo Garage Light. Alright, number 3. Let me ask you, is your garage a garage or is it like a freaking cave? Time to fix that with the Nebo Garage Light. This beast is 11 times brighter than your average 60-watt bulb, but installs just as easy. Screw it in, flip the switch, and boom, instant daylight. It's got 4 panels that rotate 90 degrees, so you can aim the light exactly where you need it. And the best part? It pulls the same energy as a regular bulb. So, brighter workspace, same electric bill. Total win-win. Number 2. Rack Magnetic Wristband. At number 2, we got something that's gonna make every DIY project or repair job a hell of a lot easier. The Rack Magnetic Wristband. It's built from tough, breathable material so you stay comfy while you work. And with 10 strong magnets, it holds screws, nails, drill bits, all right there on your wrist. No more dropping stuff or running back and forth to grab pieces. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a total pro, this saves you a ton of hassle. Also makes a killer gift. Who wouldn't want to be like a magnet superhero on the job, right? Number 1. Hot Rotary Toolkit. And finally, number 1, we got the Hot Rotary Toolkit. Kinda wild to think this one compact gadget actually replaces 35 different tools. That's literally as many as the last black number on an American roulette wheel. Cutting, grinding, engraving, drilling, polishing. It handles all of it. It's sleek, super lightweight, just 240 grams. Designed in Hong Kong for max style and comfort. You get 5 speed settings from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM, plus a gear memory that remembers your last speed even after a break. Runs up to 50 minutes on a full charge, and yup, it's got wireless charging. So much power right in your hand. Perfect for hobbyists or even pros who need a reliable all-rounder. 8. So that wraps up my list of the 5 coolest Amazon gadgets for men. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to hit up those links below to grab yours.